Hi, Maria here. Today I'm going to explain a little bit more about the trend and how to use trend lines. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. When I first started trading like 6 years ago, I was a complete beginner, more like a complete dummy. I searched Forex for dummies to learn more. Why? Because as I told you before, I am a simple stay-at-home mom with 2 kids with 0 financial education. And I started trading Forex because I was looking for ways to make money at home, and Forex is a great option for that. So every book or article I read all tell the same thing. The trend is your friend. Follow the trend. Only trade in favor of the trend, never against. So I started learning about how to draw trend lines. In theory, all you have to do is locate 2 major tops or bottoms and connect them. It's a very simple concept, but unfortunately, most Forex traders don't draw them correctly or try to make the line fit the market instead of the other way around. And of course, I was one of those traders who didn't draw them correctly. I made a lot of mistakes. There are 3 types of trends. Uptrend, when the price is making higher high and higher lows. Downtrend, when the price is making lower highs and lower lows. And sideways trends, when the price is in a range. It takes at least 2 tops or bottoms to draw a valid trend line, but it takes 3 to confirm a trend line. The steeper the trend line you draw, the less reliable it is going to be and the more likely it will be break. Like horizontal supports and resistance levels, trend lines become stronger the more times they are tested. And most importantly, do not ever draw trend lines by forcing them to fit the market. If they do not fit right, then that trend line isn't a valid one. To learn all the points above took me some time, but the last one was the most difficult to learn. Why? Because when I start, I always want to open trades. I overtrade, thinking the more trades I open, the more money I will have, and the result was more money I lose. So why do you need to know how to draw a good trend line? Because it's true, trend lines are probably the most common form of technical analysis in Forex trading. They are probably one of the most underutilized ones as well. If drawn correctly, they can be as accurate as any other method, and they can increase the profitability of any system, no matter which system do you use. When I start, I use this simple system, and sometimes, even to this day, I use this system. I only use 2 indicators. The simple moving average 5, which is the blue line, and the simple moving average 20, the red line. And it only has 2 rules. 1. I buy when the blue line crosses the red line upwards, and 2. I sell when the blue line crosses the red line downwards. Simple, very simple. And a great system too. But sometimes I was lucky and made great profit, but sometimes my system did not work. Why? Because this simple system requires a strong trend market, and I really did not know when the trend market was strong. And as you may already know, almost all systems requires a strong trend to work properly. So overall, with this method, I started losing more times than I was winning. So I thought this method and strategy is too simple. I need to change my technique. And I start the process all over again, and most of the time with the same result. I was losing money. Until I found an article with a great title. Which Forex pair and time frame is best to trade? I was like, yes, this will solve my problem. The answer will be euro-dollar in the 1-hour graph. But sadly, the answer was not that simple. Instead, they gave me this amazing book, Understanding the Myths of Market Trends and Chart Patterns. I read it in like 30 minutes. It's short but full of great content. You can have your own free copy of this amazing book. I leave the link in the description below. The book has 2 sections. The first section is all about trends, the topic I was searching for. and it explained in detail the mistakes I was making. And you know what? They are the most common ones. So I am sure you are making one of those too. In these sections, you will learn the myth of market trend, how to increase the profitability of any system, how to determine the trend, what is a trend drawdown, protecting against volatility, one exercise and the ultimate solution. And the second section is all about patterns. I need to learn about this also, so I was super happy when I started reading the book. In this section, you will learn how to draw trend lines, examples of good trend lines versus bad trend lines, triangles, flags, wedges, how to trade chart patterns, one exercise, and recognizing chart patterns. Really, this book changed the way I approach Forex trading and really opened my eyes on why I was not making consistent profits and that my strategies and techniques were not bad. Well, some were, but all I need is to determine a strong trending pair to apply them. I hope this video helped you, so check out the book. It's completely free, but believe me, it will help you a lot. Remember, if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye bye.